Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. Today I will be sharing my best favorite makeup products of 2019, and I generally really like a lot of makeup products, but I am showing only 10 because I don't want to extend this video to an hour. Okay, so I have just 10 products with me which I always reach to. So if you guys want to know which makeup products are my favorite, then please keep on watching. Also guys, if you want to know what makeup, what lipstick I'm wearing, you can definitely check out my Instagram page. I'm going to mention it down in the description box below. I have a tutorial on this look, so definitely check that out. So guys, let's start with my eyebrows. So the brow product which I have been loving is this ABH Dip Brow Pomade. Before applying this, I used to use my Sigma brow powder. To be very honest, it has been only 2 months that I have been trying this one out, and I have fell in love with this. It's so beautiful. The formula is so good. It just glides and it is very pigmented, so you have to use a teeny tiny bit of this and nothing more. So I really enjoy using this, and I highly recommend this. My shade is chocolate, and this is how the chocolate brows looks like, and I think it's looking really snatched. Next up, let's talk about some concealers. So in this year I have discovered 2 concealers which I have been loving. So the first one is the PAK Spotlight Concealer. This is a full coverage concealer. It dries down quickly, so you have to work really fast. It's a great eye primer, I would say. So I really like the formula, the shade range, and I have 2 shades, 07 and 8. So I use them alternately. So yeah, that is it. I really like this. I have a review on this up on my channel, so you can definitely check that one out. And the other concealer, which is my favorite, that I have just discovered last month, okay, and this is the Sugar Magic Wand Concealer. This is waterproof. This is also, the formula is really thick. It has a beautiful coverage. The only negative is the shade range. There are only 6 shades, but not enough darker shades, so I will definitely request Sugar to come up with more shades in this range. Otherwise, I really love this. Now coming to the foundation, I am loving this Ace of Face foundation by Sugar. This shade is perfect for me. This is 35 Frappe, and you get tons of product, and this is how the product looks like, as you can see. And the formula is really good. It just blends like a dream, and also they have amazing shade range, so you can definitely try this one out. Like, the shade is so on point that whenever I don't want to apply foundation, I apply this as a concealer underneath my eyes, and that is it. It just looks beautiful, and I absolutely love this. So the next product is a Holy Grail product, and this is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder, and I have been loving this powder, and this, I am in the shade light medium, which is number 20. So Sugar has also launched their loose powder a few days back. I have tested them, and this definitely gives you coverage and blurs out your skin. That one gives you coverage, but it doesn't blurs out the skin, and I think this is very smooth and soft. That is more sort of a heavy powder. So yeah, that is the difference between them. So if you want smooth skin, you can definitely go for this, and if you want high coverage, you can definitely try the Sugar one out. Next up, you guys, is my favorite bronzer, and this is the My Glam Pose HD Bronzer Duo. So this also comes with a contour shade right here and the bronzer. I love this thing. I just mix it and go for it. Next up is highlighter. Oh my god, I have been loving this. This is the Ofra highlighter in the shade Rodeo Drive, and this is the mini one. Look at that thing, you guys. It's so beautifully pigmented. I have been talking about this ever since I have tried. Look at that shade, it's so beautiful. let's just apply a little bit. Look at that bang highlighter. Oh my god, I absolutely love this. Just melts into the skin, and if you want to spend some money, go get this one. It's so good. Next up is something I have talked about before, and honestly I love that, which is the NYX blush palette. I have so many blushes, but still I go for this palette only. This is such a beautiful palette. I always go for this shade. It's a beautiful shade, and I absolutely love this palette, you guys. If you are a blush lover, if you like blushes, then definitely a must-have palette, and I think everybody should have this palette because this has 8 beautiful shades. So yeah, definitely recommend it. Now it's time for eyeshadow. There are so many eyeshadows which I have loved, but there's this one which I always go for, and this is the Prism palette by ABH, and look at that shades, you guys. So pretty. I mean, they have a warm, they have a cool tone pinky mauvey shade, they have golden, they have purpley, blue, black, bright, lemon yellow, I would say, and the shade range I absolutely love, you guys. Let me just swatch 2 or 3 shades. Like, let's talk about this one, then this one, and this one. Just look at those shades, you guys. It's so pigmented and so buttery soft. Absolutely love this, you guys. Just look at those shades. Isn't it so good? I have been loving this palette ever since I have bought it. So if you want to try some other eyeshadow formulas, you can definitely try ABH eyeshadows. Next up is a gel liner, and I have been loving this Sigma Wicked gel liner, and this is super black. Let me just swatch it quickly. Just a swipe and see that pigmentation. This is so very pigmented, and this does not smudge. It's waterproof, it's smudge proof, it's transfer proof, and everything. Highly recommend this gel liner, you guys. I am going to mention the link. If you want to buy, you can definitely check this one out. You can get it from Nykaa as well. Last products are mascaras, and I am not talking about the Lash Sensational mascara. Definitely not. I am talking about the 4 mascaras I have been loving, and this is the Chambord one, which is so good. It just gives you length, and the length is so good that I absolutely love this. And the next one I am going to talk about is the Sugar Uptown Curl Mascara. Now this definitely curls, and it also gives you a little volume, so I like to mix both of them, the Chambord and the Sugar one, so I get that beautiful volume, curl and length lashes. So I love this combo, you guys. And the next one is the Faces Canada Ultim Pro HD Vopal Lashes Mascara, and this is such a good mascara. It just gives volume as well as length, but definitely you have to go for 2 or 3 coats of this, and normally I definitely go for 2 or 3 coats of mascaras because I absolutely love my lashes and my mascaras. So that is why I absolutely love this. And the last one is the Forever 52 Super Volume and Lengthening Tornado Brush Mascara. Just let me show you how the brush looks like. You can see this is how the brush looks like. It's so good, you guys. It just makes my lashes long, curl, and it gives volume as well. So I really like this mascara. So yeah, that is it, you guys. That is my favorite makeup products of 2019. I have shared a video of my favorite lipsticks. I am going to mention it right here, so definitely check that out. If you guys find this video helpful and like my makeup favorites, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye guys.